We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing and games. At Busybody Kids, we always love to play.
Now we're at the park and we're gonna see if we can find things that are big and things that are small. Come on! Look here, I've got a small stick. I'm a big stick. Come and look over here. Look at that, it's a swan. In the water there are swans and birds. Can you see how many swans there are? Yes, there are 2. 1, 2. The swans are big and the birds are small. Look at this small puddle. Are you ready to jump in it? Let's go! Wow, and look at this puddle. Is this puddle a big puddle or a small puddle? A big puddle! This is a big hill. This is a small hill. This slide is small. Wow, this is a big slide. Oh, this makes a sound. You can play music. This is a big circle.
This is this one.
This is a small circle. And look, a small circle is a mirror. What are we doing?
We're making pizza.
We're making a pizza. Okay, throw it up and see what pizza you make.
Oh, it's a big pizza.
Wow, you made a big pizza. Let me try it. Maybe I can also make a big one.
Yeah.
Ready? My pizza is small. Your pizza is big and my pizza is small.
No, that's my pizza. Small, and you're big, and mine's small. See?
Oh, hey. It's a small chocolate chip cookie. Oh, wow.
Bigger.
Got bigger. Look, we have 2 squares. We have a pink square and a blue square. Can you tell me which square is big and which square is small? Yes, the pink square is big and the blue square is small. Can you see a fire truck? Yes, it's above my head. And do you know what this is called? It's called a fire hydrant. Can you tell me which is big and which is small? Yes, the fire truck is big and the fire hydrant is small. You are getting so good at seeing what is big and what is small. What's that noise? Whoa! That was a big airplane. And look at this small butterfly. Elephants are big, mice are small, dinosaurs are big and
so small. Whales are big and fish are small. Pandas are big